What's up, guys? We're back with Zionix Global. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. We're back just to do a update for you. Last time we were here, we actually did a withdrawal, and I want to come back and show you guys that it actually did come through. This is the second withdrawal. So that's pretty much what we're doing today. If you haven't checked this project out, the link is in the description. You can check it out. You can go here as well. Let me pull this up here. Hang on. Go here at www.aitradingbot. Oh, this is coming up. aitradingbot.info and check it out. All right. But before we get into anything, just want to clarify that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to advise you guys of anything. This is just informational for your information, and I'm documenting this particular project that I got started in. I kind of just want to see how it all goes and showing you guys how it actually works before you get in any crypto projects, stocks, real estate, anything. Everything is a risk, okay? So make sure you do your research, your due diligence, and checking things out on your own, okay? And make sure you use risk capital, guys, before you invest in any projects, okay? In anything, all right? Because there is no guarantees in this or life in general, right? All right, now that we've got that clear, like I said, we did a withdrawal, and it did come through. So let's go over here. Let's check this out. This is where we are right now. As it stands, our ZDAF wallet, this is our rewards that we're earning from the bot. Okay, right here, the referral. I took that referral. I showed you guys how I earned a referral commission or reward, and I took that and I added it back into the platform to make it the fourth package. We have earned some referrals, okay, but you don't have to have referrals for this program because it runs passively with the bot. So that's what we've got here in the total profits earned. This is what the bot has done, okay? And yeah, just get your bot and it'll do its thing. So that's where we are with this, but we had a withdrawal. Let's take a look at that last time. So we click withdrawals. Hang on. All right, let's go to withdrawal. So we here, it says here total withdrawal $46.56. Now mind you, they take out 3% withdrawal fee. Okay, the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. This is a crypto project, so it's crypto in and crypto out. Okay. So there's 3% fee on your withdrawals. And the processing time is up to 24 hours. It could be sooner or it could be up to 24 hours, okay, to withdraw your rewards. All right. So if we come down here, you'll see on the withdrawal log, I have had 2 withdrawals, one on the 11th of September and one on the 27th of September. The first one, and I guess it shows, well, it shows here minus the 3%. This was actually like $12. So minus the 3%, okay, is what it's showing here. All right, after they've taken that 3% out, this is what you would get. And it shows confirmed, all right. And so let's take a look at that. What was it, $34.92? Okay, now I got my crypto decentralized wallet. Let me pull it up. Okay, that was on the 27th, right? Pull this down. 27th, right here, 9/27. It was actually, it shows $34.92. Remember over here they added their little fees or whatever they do, right? This was TRC 20 that I withdrew it in, and here's on the 27th. The wallet it went to, okay? So this was actually completed the same day, all right? That was another one. All right, so yeah, see 9/27, guys, same day, 9/27. Again, After an hour or two, it showed up. But as they state, allow up to 24 hours. It could be sooner, okay? But allow them that time. So yes, so that's 2 that have shown up just as they said they would, okay? Now, what else we want to show you? I want to show you that they actually had a meeting today. I received an email, and I actually was able to jump on the call, but I had something come up and I had to get off the call. So this is not just a crypto trading platform, guys. They are going to be bringing so much more. So let me show you the email I received, and let's check it out. Hold on. This is the email that I received this morning, and I actually again jumped on the call but had to get off. It was 4 p.m. London time, but for my time Eastern, it was 11 o'clock this morning. So I did jump on there. It was Theo, I can't remember his last name, but he was hosting the call. But look, it's called Crypto Mastery and Education. It was a webinar. All right, so this company is actually going to provide value and not just be a place where folks is just saying, hey, go here, make passive income. All right, they want to educate you on the cryptocurrency market. So if you look here, it says Crypto Mastery and Education webinar. And then being that I'm in the starter package, right? See, they specify session 1 is for the starter, the standard, and the advanced license holder. And I am a starter, remember? I showed you that. And then session 2 is for the elite and VP license holders. Okay, that was at 6 p.m. London. All right. So I jumped in on that, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes or so, then I had to get off. I had something I needed to do, but just want you to see that. All right, so this is more than just a crypto platform, way more. So I'm looking forward to that, and hopefully they have the replay so I can go back and check it out. So anyway, want just to see that, and as well, I don't know if I mentioned it on the last one. I haven't mentioned it before, but on-chain trading, you can kind of see real-time the transactions for our folks that's, that's analytical and want to see all those things. Live trade feed is here, okay? So you just click on this right here. It says on-chain trade API, and you can see it here, and there's a button over here where you can click on that hash and go right to the blockchain. All right, but so far so good. We got in on this thing. When did we get in? Let's take a look. The 3rd, I want to say. Oh, let me show you before we get into that. The new update, remember, they got new updates. They're going to be trading now only 6 days a week, okay, Monday through Sunday. That's one update. And then going forward, all new deposits are going to be 180 days, 6 months. Okay, locked in 6 months with a 30% fee for early termination. If you want to take your funds out before those 180 days, it's going to be a 30% fee. So for those of us that got in before that, we're on the 30-day lock, okay? And it's a 20% early termination fee, okay? So that's the new change, and then trading Monday through Sunday only, okay? Nothing happens on Sunday at all that you know, no activity. All right, so let's look at these real quick, and then I'll show you my when I got started. Membership, license, and pricing. Again, I said I started with the starter, right? The starter, there's a license yearly fee you pay, right? So the starter is $149. The minimum deposit to get in that starter package is $99, and that is the earnings is, again, no guarantees, right? But it's up to 1% per day, okay? The standard package is the next one up, is $199 for your bot, okay? $199 a year. And then the minimum deposit of crypto is $249 for that one, and it's up to 1.05% per day, okay? The advanced license is next. It's $249 for the year, once a year. It's $24.99. minimum deposit of crypto, and it's up to 1.1% per day. The next one is the Elite, $2.99, once a year license. Minimum deposit is $10,499, and that one earns up to 1.25% per day. The last one is the VIP. It's $549 a year for your bot. The minimum deposit of crypto is $21,499, and it pays up to 1.5% per day. All right, so those are your licenses. All right, so I got started on the 3rd. Right, let's see, where am I? Right here, starter pack, as you can see. So I paid the $149, right, for my bot. I got one bot. I started on the 3rd, and you see I'm at 28 days on that package. Then I went in with another package on the 5th. It's 26 days, so I'm almost, my 30 is almost up. But as long as it's going well, I'll keep my, my packages going. My 3rd package, I started on 9/13, 18 days on that one, as you can see here. And then the last package was on the 20th. All right, 11 days in on that one. So we got 4 packages. Okay, so let's take a look here. First thing you would want to do is fund your account. So 3 steps. First step, fund the account. Put crypto in, okay? Once you put the crypto in here, it's going to go in this ZDAF wallet. So when you click fund account, you want to go here, and it's asking you, well, how much do you want to deposit, right? So let's just leave it at 100. We click continue, and then it asks you which cryptocurrency you're going to use, okay? They've got TRC20, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, ERC20, USDT, Solana USDC, USDT BSC, and they have USDC BSC. Okay, so once you do that, select which cryptocurrency, click continue, then it's going to give you the wallet address you need to send it to. Okay, and you're going to need to allow time for that to post in this back office. It's not going to be immediately. Okay, may take a little time, but once it does, it's going to show up in this ZDAF wallet area, right? So if you click on back office, right here is where your deposit is going to show up. Once it shows up there, you go to step 2. Well, what's step 2? Purchase your license, right? So you fund the account and you purchase your license. Well, which license would you like? We just went over all those. You want the starter, standard, advanced, elite, VIP, right? You make that selection, select the wallet. Remember, it's going to be the ZDAF wallet because you don't have any referral rewards there. So it's the ZDAF, and it'll show you that balance. And then you click process. Boom. Purchase your license. Okay, once it's there, it's going to show up. You're going to see it. I'll show you in a second. Then after you got your license, then you activate your bot, right? Which is here. So over here. See? So it will show like starter package, which one you picked. And more than likely it may show pending or something like that at first. So it'll allow it a little time. But you'll come here. Now you're going to activate your bot. Well, which package are you going to select? The starter, the standard, the advanced, the elite, or the VIP. Okay, and this is how you activate your bot. So you would just come here. Let's say you have the starter. You click, it says activate. Whichever one you want. Make sure you have those funds in there, though, in your balance. Okay, so you click activate. All right, and it says, well, which wallet you're going to use. It would be your ZDAF wallet, because this is where the balance would be. And it's saying you're going to have a starter pack bot. Yes. All right, the minimum deposit they're saying is $99. Okay, so remember, you got your bot fee, and then you have how much you want to invest in the bot for it to earn, right? So make sure you have all that totaled up, guys, okay? But the minimum is $99, all right? So then you just put that amount here, okay? It has a match here. You can't, if it's not in this balance, you can't use it. So you have to make sure you have that amount in this balance process, and that's where it's going to show up, right? And it may show pending or something for a little bit, and eventually it will say active, and your bot goes to work, all right? And you can just, you know, peruse around here and check out your account activities. Kind of see I've got some micro earnings in here, as you can see. And you're also earning micro earnings from your referrals as well, okay? But just know you don't have to have referrals. You don't have to refer anybody for this to work for you. All right, and that's pretty much it. Just wanted to update you on mainly the withdrawal did come through. I showed that to you and how you can get started, okay? And remember, once again, do your own research, your own due diligence before getting into this platform or any other, and use risk capital. But if you'd like to try it out, go ahead and go to this link. I'm going to put it in the description, www.aitradingbot.info. That's it. Thank you for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me. And click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, see you on the next video. Have a blessed day.